Hello, my lovelies. Right, Bird's journal is finished and I am about to share it with you. So, small one, but quite a chunky one. Closure, as I mentioned, is from different cotton fabric strips. Just ties around. Crazy colors. Right, here we go. Nice and chunky one. I didn't even put any name on it, as I all the time calling it Bird's Journal, so I am staying with Bird's Journal. Size wise is 4 by 5.5 and 2-inch spine. This is recycled large a loose tea box, so the size a little bit different than normal, but nice and small and chunky. So let's get through. Cover and most of the, not most, cover and few of pages for this journal is I have videos on YouTube. Spine, and this is a back as well. Back and front is covered with clear gesso, so they are quite a sturdy. Right, inside little pocket. Book belongs to handmade paper and handmade kind of paper as well, with some flower petals in and very small small tag. Embellished page, birds. So this is just about birds. You have an crazy collaging, crazy grungy collaging. Little envelope, nothing in there, so you can put your things in. Some stamping and collage papers, fabric flower. As well, some scribbles there. Some collaging. This is a very interesting grungy page from a book pages, and this tutorial I have on Patreon. Yeah, few pages for writing as well, but you have a lot of space. You can still embellish and still put things in. So cluster, tag as a belly band, and look at that tag. Okay, the actual tags, they're not printed. For writing, a little bit of fabrics and a little bit of doodling, and very grungy middle of the first signature. Good vibes only. Okay, collaged, and these collaged pages are quite thick because they are collaged on both sides and there is still paper inside. For writing, again this grungy book page, a little bit of handmade paper with some flower in, collaged actual echo print, flips up. This is cardstock coffee stained, collaged papers. So that's one. Two, tutorial on this envelope as well is on a YouTube. Just a small tag. When you turn around, there is a tax spot. So I put in, this is my country's like grunge top book page, and in addition I clipped on little birdie and some white bits, little bit. Maybe you want to decorate, maybe you like as it is now. This, right, this goes as a top pocket or corner pocket. So white embossed papers go through that book. Craft paper, wrapping paper, some doodling, a little bit for writing, as well, collaging, and birds. Look at that. Is a middle, and then we turn this, and there is another one. I love this spread. And some words going on collaging and fabrics and cheesecloth collaged here as well. Pieces for writing, little bit of grunge. This as well I was doing on YouTube, where I'm using die cut leftovers flower like that. Another tuck spot, but this time I printed like little French document, but I printed on matte paper. So I think that's quite interesting. I've done that first time, I have never done it before. And some fabric, piece of fabric, and stuck somewhere. Cut it off. So embossed paper and little piece of that white fabric. I love that white fabric. Fabric is very close to the finishing, so there won't be that kind, but I really like it. Okay, a little bit of decoupage and just small tag or journaling card. So this is signature 2, signature 3 with some birds and ruffles and stamping. And this another flips up, paper page, envelope, there's nothing in there. For writing, another crazy bird. Oh, this is very bright spread with birds and with this red fluffy yarn. Yeah, I somehow it came that I put it all in one spread, but I like it. Can have something bright as well, and actual not printed, actual tag collaged for writing. There's nothing there. Little bit of fabrics and collaged page, and back inside there was a back cover, fabric kind of collaged pocket, and 2 small journaling cards, and another printed like a document on a matte paper for matte. So, and we are having back. So I really like it. It's nice and chunky. So yeah, yes, you can see still you have free space to do some bits and pieces. Not a lot, but you. I thought I will do less, but yeah, as always. But anyway, journal is available, of course, on Etsy. If you are interested, you can pop over and have a look. Price wise, one price as always, with all fees and shipping and packaging. But I always say that now, especially now, but if you would love to pay a little bit less with no Etsy fees, then just please contact me and we do straight PayPal. But if you are happy to purchase on Etsy, completely fine with me. So anyways fine with me. So one price and journal is on Etsy. Thank you, my lovelies, and see you very soon, and I think already in December. So have a great day and see you very soon. Bye.